So hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So in this video I have this package with me. So without wasting any further time, we'll be proceeding up with the unboxing of this package. So let's begin. So over here, as you can see, we have this Air Canada Express Bombardier Crj-705. So today we'll be unboxing this plane. So without wasting any further time, I'll be proceeding with the unboxing of this plane. Okay, so here we have the plane with us. I'll be adjusting up the camera angle so that you can have a good look of this plane. So as you can see, we have here the Bombardier CRJ705. Here we have Air Canada Express written over here. At the rear side we have the Air Canada logo. Here are the engines. At the rear part we have over here Gemini jets written. Here are the landing gears, as you can see, which are perfectly fine, and over here is the front landing gear. From the front the plane looks like this, and from the rear side the plane looks like this. Now I'll be going into the measurement of this plane. So in lengthwise the plane is almost up to 8.5 or 9 centimeter. I'll be posting up the exact in the description box. And in this wingspan it is almost up to 6 centimeter. I'll be doing up the same for the wingspan also. So this plane is actually a very rare plane, as you can see that it is not available everywhere. I got it from eBay. So there's not much to talk about this plane, so I'll be doing up with the next video, and that's it for today, and I'll be meeting you soon in the next one.